friends. In this video we are going to learn about to write the Python program to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. So how we can check palindrome or not? Suppose you are giving some string. So the string is said to be palindrome if the reverse of the string is same as the string which has been given. For example, radar. The radar is a string of palindrome because if you give the reverse as well, it will give the same meaning as radar. But radix, it's not a palindrome because it's not given the reverse as same as radix. Also here you can see input malayalam is a palindrome, but input t is not a palindrome. Here you can see I'm creating def function. Usually in Python, def is keyword to use to create Python function. I'm creating isPalindrome. This is the word. This is the function name with the word of input. So here I'm using return keyword with the particular word I'm giving the input equal to word of. This is the way I can give the reverse string also. If the reverse string and the string which both are matches, then it's given as a yes. If reverse string and given string both are not matched, I can give the output as no. So just I'm running. So here I'm giving the word as Malayalam, and here I'm calling isPalindrome. The word is giving Malayalam, and I'm taking those values into answer. So the answer is if I get n, if I get answer which means bool value is true, I'm getting print yes. If bool value nothing, then I will get print as no. So here I'm running. If I get yes, the word which I given to Malayalam is a palindrome. Here you can see yes. Suppose I'm changing as the word malayala. Again I'm running. Here you can see given result is no because it is not a palindrome. The only the word which is given and the word which has been reversed, both are synced up, then we can say as the given string is palindrome. So this is the way you have to return on it to check whether how the palindrome words are available. Thanks for watching this.